All right, so we're getting ready to do an oil change on this 2014 Mazda 3. 66,878 miles, and I've owned it just about a month now. Bought it with 62,000 miles and have already made it to a few different locations around the United States. So we've been able to put some miles on it. On the 2014 Mazda 3 6-speed manual. This is rated to have an OW20. Okay, you will need an 8mm socket and an 8mm hex, and I have an 8mm hex 3/8 socket. This you need for the drain plug. I was using a 5/16 and it would not break it loose. Go with the 8mm. This will undo it, no matter how tight it is. We've got an OEM filter, and we've got Pennzoil OW20. I've been using Pennzoil in my first generation Miata, in my third generation Miata, in my Malibu, and Hyundai as well. So we're going to switch this car over to Pennzoil OW20 with the OEM filter. You need to have an 8mm socket, and you will need to take this one and that one right there. With the cover off, you now have access to the oil filter. This is the drain plug, this is the oil filter. Okay, so here's your drain plug, and I wanted to show you why this one was not working. And when it does fit, but look at the movement. I can move that on this 5/16. Can you see it? There it is. On this 5/16. But with the 8mm hex, since it's somewhat rounded, it fits down and it cups in there. So now there's no movement. So it has a tighter fit, and you can tell that people have used Allen keys because my drain plug has been severely stripped down. So maybe you are able to get it with the 5/16, but for mine and this one, for the way that this condition is of this drain plug, you do need the 8mm. It fits it better, and it pops the seal. So we have the OEM Mazda filter, There you go. Once the oil filter is somewhat absorbed the oil, I'm going to leave this little over half a quart in the car, so if I need to add to it as I drive, I will. And after checking it, we are just under the full